If you're one of those who want to start a video channel or a vlogging channel but have actually never done vlogging, then this is going to be very useful for you because I have lots of amazing tips for starters. Number one, video quality is very important. You don't have to have a very expensive camera like I am using a Lumix right now, but for all of my other videos, I actually use my cell phone. I actually have a Samsung S21 Ultra, so this is an Android, and it has the perfect quality for videos and even photos, and I love it. It's just because I wanted to use my camera now so that I can show how to use the cell phone, but otherwise the cell phone is perfect. So if you're filming on your cell phone for YouTube purposes, it has to be horizontal. Landscape orientation. If you're filming an Instagram reel, then that's when you film using portrait mode or vertical orientation. The good thing with a cell phone is that it's already focused on you. While if you're using a camera, you will want to make sure that you are properly in focus because there will be some adjustments to be made. Next, have good lighting. You don't want to just have lighting in front of you because you want to have some lights on the side to balance it. Otherwise, it's a little bit too in your face or bright or harsh. So you want it to have that nice soft ambience. So I have this yellow light here. I have two soft yellow lights over there. I have this ring light here and I have another ring light here. I don't use an overhead light because then it casts shadow. I got my ring lights from Amazon. I have a number of them, but I have my two favorite big ring lights. And of course, I think you saw my little gadget. My selfie stick. I bring this all the time, except that whenever I put it out, suddenly my family disappears. Like, no one knows me. Yeah, but otherwise, if you're alone, like I walk in the park, I want to take some photos, I want to take some videos of me. This is very useful and this is very adjustable. It actually acts as a tripod and I bought this from Amazon. So, reliable Amazon. I should be a stockholder for Amazon. Now for some video guidelines, which I actually learned from Shaw TV and Shaw Cable Network because my TV show, eveRIAthing, used to be released on Shaw Cable, and because I prefer to just do everything online, it's more manageable, I have control over the time, and that's why I just do everything online. But I love Shaw. You need to have headroom above you for adjustments, and again, it's part of the rules, and of course, you have to have your torso showing. Also, if you want to zoom in, you want to zoom out, then you have lots of room for zooming in. Zooming out. Rule of thirds. Rule of thirds is actually being followed by photographers like a Bible verse. And we also follow it in filming. So what you want to do is you want to divide your frame into two horizontal lines and then two vertical lines. So you're dividing your frame into 9 little squares. So always imagine yourself that you're in one of the thirds because that's where you sort of create a very good aesthetic too. Background music. You know, music is amazing. It enhances your theme. Same with videos. If you want to create smooth transitions or if you want to create that mood, you want to have some music. But make sure that your background music should be just very faintly playing in the background. People still have to understand what you're talking about. Those are my tips for today. And if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. Let me know if you want me to answer a question you've been having about video presentations or if you want to get ready to do your first filming because I may just be able to help you start your video career. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then that way you can help me spread my message. And I do have a blog, JackieD.com. Bye for now.